Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today we will be doing a comparison with two concealers, one from the drugstore and one from a high-end brand. So what I will be doing is I've seen this particular concealer compared to Shape Tape and had amazing reviews, but what we will do today is we're going to compare it to the Urban Decay All Nighter Concealer. The concealer in question is the new Revolution, I think it's Makeup Revolution concealer, Conceal and Define. Now a lot of these shades are sold out, so I got just what I could get really is the C1 and the C4. So what we will be really comparing is the longevity, the texture, whether I have to set it with a powder, does it crease, what's the durability on it and things like that. So and then I will go into the product itself, what's in this, what I would prefer to buy. Would it be the all-nighter, or will it be that the competition is on? So as you can see, I have a really weird face because I have no blusher, no highlighter, no contour, and I haven't done the underneath of my eyes, and I've got no mascara because I cannot do any of that without my concealer. So what I'll do is I'll do the Define and Conceal Makeup Revolution on this side, and I will do all-nighter on this side. So you should see them both just about here. I'll keep them up here so you know which side is which, so you don't get confused. I am going in with shade C1. This is the Makeup Revolution. So the applicator is quite massive, to be honest, compared to the All Night. I will do a comparison in a minute. I'm gonna go under. Yes, I'm enjoying this, Laurie. So that was just with one application. I do like mine to be quite thick. So that is quite light, because you'll see the all-nighter now. So we'll do it as in stages. So obviously that is the all-nighter, much thinner tube than this one, but the fluid ounce in both of them, this one has 0.12 fluid ounce and this one has 0.11 fluid ounce. So for £4 you get a 0.01 of a fluid ounce less than that, and you get, so it pretty much, I'd say that's the same. I am going in with this. Now that's the applicator on the all-nighter. Don't know if anyone's seen that. So I'm just going to go in on this one. I do find that there's not that much product coming off this one. Obviously you can tell that they're both completely different tones. It's just because the shade range out of the Define and Conceal is limited at the minute, because I think everyone's just seen it's like so I've got what I can. So I'm going to go in with my Real Techniques damp beauty blender. I did do my foundation, that's why it's dirty, and I will start blending in the all-nighter first. So that is all-nighter blended, no powder set, just a damp beauty blender. There is nothing other than foundation on my face. What I'll do now is I'll blend this in and see if I need to set either of them with a powder. So obviously the shade is a lot more pink undertoned than it is to that one, so it does look a bit weird. So on close inspection, going right in. I've just topped up my lipstick because it looked violet. So both have blended out brilliantly. Like, I see more creasing from all-nighter than what I do from the Define and Conceal. Now I'm going to set them both with the Charlotte Tilbury Flawless Finish airbrush powder in one. So this is the lightest one with my brush. So I know all-nighter anyway is good because I do it every day. So yeah, obviously I know that works. So now this is the true test if this one actually enjoys powder on top of it. So yes, it does enjoy powder on top of it. So all in all, this seems to be shaping up quite well. So what we will talk about now is packaging. So obviously I did mention before that this has got this has 0.12 fluid ounces in this, and this one has 0.11 fluid ounces in this. So I'll show you the difference in the applicators. So you can see, like, that's Decay All Nighter, and then that is the Define and Conceal Makeup Revolution Urban Decay All Nighter Concealer. I bought for £20 online. I bought the Makeup Revolution Define and Conceal concealer from Superdrug, and this was £4. I did get it in 2 shades, so I got C1, C4. C4 is more of a yellow undertone, C1 is more of a pink undertone. So what I'm going to do now is I'm just going to do my face how I would do it normally. Right guys, so I'm back. This is my face with all my makeup done in all its glory. Again, apologise for the mic because it's terrible from the camera. Hopefully it will upgrade eventually. Right now I can't. But anyway, let's get back to the winner of this competition. I would say, obviously, the thing that goes much in favour is affordability. So if you obviously can buy something that is just as good as a high-end thing for less than half the price, obviously I think anyone would take that over any day. So I will not knock this, but Urban Decay is great. However, with affordability in check, I would 1000,000,000% say that the Makeup Revolution does just as good a job as the Urban Decay. You can get them in Superdrug in store. I did find that the C1 to C4 was sold out, so I asked the lady to go in the back. She went in the back and she got me these 2 shades. £4, bargain. £20, I still love it. I will never diss Urban Decay. It's been my go-to all the time, including the Naked Skin Concealer. So thank you for watching, and I really hope you guys can go out and buy this and it's in stock. If not, I will link Superdrug's website down below where you can see the straight up link to go straight to the concealer. It is out of stock at the minute. Keep your eyes peeled. If you sign up, you can get notified to be informed when it's back in stock. So have a wonderful week guys. Sign out, keep on watching, please subscribe. I love you all, bye.